probably like that. It's a small one. You'll work it out, but until we get down with it, okay? You ready to do it again?
Maybe you could help me record this because I want to show my doctor and myself.
She want review and then exercise.
Yeah. I'm trying to record the best I can. I want to try to get your form right first.
See that get record. I don't know. Actually, I don't know how to do that record. Is that correctly?
Yeah, that's recorded.
The voice? I
The
don't
form
know.
should be good.
So last time I no voice because I don't know how to do it.
Yeah, no, it should be good.
So do we have to press it next time? Next time, do we have to press it? The white one? What that
That's a
means?
photo. You take a photo during the video.
Really?
Yeah.
So we don't need that one, right?
No, it should be good.
Take it out. Oh, should be good.
It should be good.
Okay.
Yeah, my phone is better.
Her phone is better. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Let me see.
Yeah.
All right. Remember, slow and steady. Let's get your elbows corrected before we go up, okay? See how far we're back? Right there, okay? Nice and strong. 4.
Totally open the mouth. Yeah, good.
Elbows tuck in. Hold down. Breathe.
Yeah, I think these are pretty heavy after a while.
Yeah, they start to burn after a while because we're not used to lifting them. Okay, that's why we're gonna take it nice and easy. The first couple sessions are gonna be not rough or tough, only because we're not used to working out and moving. Okay, especially with the range of motion you have. Okay, so with those, how your upper will come back so much, it's gonna stress your muscles for me to for us to get used to keeping them here. And with everything else, we're gonna try to mentally focus to do our best to stay, fix things to be able to stay still, and just to be able to get the weight, okay?
Mindset has to be focused, huh?
Yeah, you're gonna be sore, think muscles and joints that you haven't felt to be achy ever will feel a little achy when we need to work trying new things that we haven't done in a while. You know what I mean? So the first couple sessions are gonna be nice and slow. It's gonna be a workout, but it's not gonna be a workout to where you're gonna be hurting, soreness, stuff like that. Okay, we're gonna take it nice and slow. We always gotta crawl before we go walk, right? As a baby, we can't just get up and start running, right?
Impossible.
We gotta learn
Yeah, run.
easy, nice and slow. So that's what we want. Slow and steady. For me, that's how I train everybody, no matter how healthy they are. Whatever condition they have, always slow and steady the first 3 to 4 weeks. And then after, that's when we, as a watcher, we can bounce off each other. He can recommend to me, or she, so I don't know who the doctor is, but they can recommend stuff to me from their expertise. You know what I mean? They can tell her, hey, that looks good on the video, whatever, but what they know is what I don't know. What I know they don't know.
Yeah, correct.
So I'm very would say humble to where if you guys see something,
Thank you.
something you like and you want to try, I'm always down to do what you got, right? What works best for you. But I'm not just gonna let you go and do it. Like if you like these, I'm not just gonna let you do it by yourself, okay?
Yeah.
We're just gonna steady and we're gonna learn together.
Okay.
Cool?
Yeah.
Alright, so now biceps. Okay. So all I want is to be just one side, yeah. We'll hold both, okay? Hold both, you sit up straight, and all you do is you do a little twist. When you're coming up, there. Back down, there. And all you do is alternate, okay? Here. So you're here, okay?
Yeah.
This one, you can put your feet forward on your hip. And
If you're doing this, you're ready to this out. And that's how you can end up getting the shoulder injury.
Open the mouth. Yeah.
See how far off I'm going?
The light.
No, that was perfect.
That's perfect. Good. Just like that. That's all we need. Simple things. Before we're moving here, I got to keep you. There you go. All we're moving is our forearm. Okay? That's all we're doing. Here. Okay?
Nico,
Then
you have.
this one is doing 6 each. So we did 6 on this arm and 6 on this arm. And I count it 1, 2, 2. This one here 2. We are sitting back, but you can also sit up 2. You got how you feel. Okay? How you feeling? Yes. Cool. Yeah, my first session, I don't like to get people too sore, but we all do so like we come back to the gym. Because we're super sore. Like me and them, like, what I like to recover is when I first get back into working out, is to get to an ice bath. Ice bath.
Nico, you have to tell her the breathing technique.
Shoulder left, chest up. There we go.
He was like mentally retarded, I think. Like he was okay, but then he just I don't know. One more day, he fucking salary. Dude, I did a
Easier, a little easier.
fucking went to one of the churches and fucking dropped
Shoulder
one of
right
the
Shoulder right.
icons, like the statue.
I hope this is delayed.
Unspicy.
Is there anything that you've seen that
Yeah,
you've done before?
This is the rundown.
To get back on to?
I'm pretty sure that's a felony. I got a fucking funny.
Oh, yeah.
You're really watching that hard.